This is what's missing in America. This communal place of gathering where everyone from the town and village just come together to spend time, to relax, to hang out, to drink, to eat, whatever it may be. Kids are playing in the square, people are drinking together, eating. This is what we need. We don't have that third place in America besides work and your home or apartment where people come to gather. And that's what makes Europe so special. I mean, just look at this place that I'm in right now. And on top of that, like, the architecture and the scenery in Europe is just absolutely beautiful. So it makes it even better. But yeah, like, I'm a strong believer that being outside and gathering at a communal space together with the town, all ages, young to old, is very important. And that's what gives Europe such a strong sense of community that is missing from the United States. So yeah, America, take notes.